In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create yourself passive income online using one specific website. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, it works worldwide, and the best thing is you're not going to spend a single dime on it. Sounds too good to be true? Let's find out. Alright guys, so for this particular method we are going to use a website called cafepress.com. Right, cafepress.com is a website that are selling all sorts of different homeware products, including gifts, clothing, drinkwares, home decor, stationeries, and all sorts of consumer goods that people just love to buy. Alright, now CafePress, what is great about it is that they are actually allowing you to create your own design to all of these products. But we're not going to do that. But what we are going to do is that we can actually create our own design and sell it on this website. Alright, they are allowing you to sell your own designs and make money of it. Now, if you think for whatever reason that for doing this you need to be a designer or have some kind of creative design abilities, you don't need any of that. Okay, I'm going to show you a website where you can get all of these designs completely free and we're going to make money of it. All right, so just stick with me, I'm going to guide you through it. All right, so what we want to do on this website is just scroll all over down and click over here on start selling. Once you do, you'll be presented with this website where you're asked to sign in. Now, if you don't have an account, which you don't, just click over here on create an account. As you can see, it's free, so just click on that. You'll be presented with a website like this one. So just put your email address, create your password, and that's it. Okay, you'll be prompted to verify your email address, but that's all that is there. Once you're there, you're in your account and you're ready to go. Now, before we get into all of that stuff, let's have a look at what kind of a traffic this website is actually getting and if it is actually worth for you to create something on this, if people are actually going to see it. All right, so for that we are going to use website similarweb.com, which is a very helpful website where you can see the traffic every single month pages are getting. All right, so cafepress.com this month got 2.32 million visits per month. All right, so that just shows you that this website has great traffic and there is great potential for you to make money of it. All right, so let's head over and back to cafepress.com and let's have a look at one more thing about the payments. All right, and the payments are in two forms. All right, CafePress is pretty much offering you to receive royalty payments by check or PayPal. All right, if you are in US, you might like the checks, which is issued at least $100, while the minimum payment for PayPal is $25. All right, so that's all great. Let's have a look at creating the designs. So what we want to do is go back to the home page. All right, now again, scroll all over down, click on start selling. Once you do, you'll be prompted with this page. All right, selling with CafePress. The only thing that you need to do is click over here on add designs. All right, once you do, as you can see, you just create and upload a design. They are going to sell your design on products and you're going to make money. It's that easy. All right, I'm going to show it. It's super easy. So just click on add designs. All right, here are going to be your designs. As you can see, I have no designs over here. So what you want to do is click over here on add designs, and here is going to be what you need to upload the file. Okay, now once you upload this file, that's it. You don't need to do anything else. They are going to promote it to all of their products and people can choose your design on their products. It doesn't matter if it is a mug, if it is a t-shirt, doesn't matter. Okay, so what we want to do is actually get our files, get our designs. All right, so for that, as I've already told you before, we are going to use specific website, and that's called PNG png3.com. All right, png3.com is a website where you can get PNG images, royalty-free PNG images. Now, these PNG images are in essence images and pictures without the white background, which means that when you put them somewhere, then the background is going to be transparent, which is exactly what we want in order to create our designs and use them. Right? All of these images on these websites are royalty free, which means you can use them and make money of them. Right? So now the big question is what kind of a design you should use. All right? Now the thing is, you need to choose something that is popular among people and they like it. Now, as we all know, people, most of them love animals. All right, so just choose something like a cat or a dog design. That's it. So what I did, I just search over here dog designs. All right, and here are some of the results. Okay, so just choose any of these results that you like. Okay, I've chosen this one. I just like this one. All right, so just click on this. You will need to sign in or log in to this website using either your Facebook, Gmail account or email. That's it. Okay, once you do, you will be able to download this PNG file over here with this click. Once you do, all right, then we are going to go back into our CafePress website and we're going to upload the file. As you can see, I've already uploaded it over here. So this is the only thing you will need to fill in. All right, you want to fill in the display name of this file. All right, the file name you can change if you want. Display description. Okay, so put something that is, something that will change and persuade people to choose it. Again, search tags, so use something that is going to persuade and help people to find your design. As you probably can imagine, there are lots of different designs, so be specific, use some creativity and use it so the people can actually find the design. Once you do, then just save your design and that's it. Now the whole upload process of your design takes around 72 hours according to the support of CafePress, so don't worry if you will not see your design straight away in the search results. Okay, just keep it, okay, give it that time that it needs, and that's it. But by that time you will be able to upload other designs. Now, one more thing that I forgot to mention is that on this png3.com website, the sign up is completely free, but with the free account you can only download 2 designs in a day, which is, I think, more than enough, because you can create 2 designs every single day and sell it on CafePress. Right, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of information. And guys, let me know in the comment section below if you are going to try it on CafePress, and let me also know your results. What are your results with CafePress and with this kind of making money online? All right, I would love to hear from you back. All right, so just let me know in the comment section below. And one more thing, if you are interested in how I make money online with affiliate marketing, then I have a completely free video series where I explain it in great detail, how I use it and what I do specifically, so you can model it and use it for your own. If you are interested in that, just click the link in the description below and I will see you inside of it. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next videos. Bye.